Access control vulnerability refers to flaws or weakness in system security that allows unauthorized user to gain access of sensitive information. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see how to get admin rights of insecure website in Web Security Academy. Let's get started. Go to Portfigure, login, link is in the description, Academy, resume. This lab has unprotected admin panel. Solve the lab by deleting the user Carlos. Tap on Assess the lab. Now here we have this e-commerce website and all we need is to get admin access. Click on My Account. Check the address bar. We are at login page. Let's try some other words to get admin access. Delete login and type admin. Hit enter. Not found. Now type administrator and hit enter. Not found. Let's try admin panel in the address bar. Admin -panel and hit enter. These are the few probabilities we are trying to get into the admin page. Let's get back to address bar. Now type administrator -panel and hit enter. Perfect. Now we have access to admin page. As per challenge, we need to delete user Carlos. Tap on delete and it's done. Congratulations, you solved the challenge. This is how bad actors gain admin control of unprotected websites. To safeguard access control vulnerability, implement strict authentication protocols. Thanks for watching.